Hey guys, it's AJ, and today I am going to show you my ultra rare and secret rare and holographic and reverse rare Pokemon cards, and at the end I will show you this. This has all my vintage Pokemon cards in it. So let's start off with the one that has my ultra rares and some holographics. So I have this Mewtwo GX. Focus camera. This, and then I have these two full art. I have a secret rare Switch and another full art. And then I have the Mega Gyarados full art, and then I have the Mewtwo full art secret rare from Breakthrough. And I have these boxed promos. And then these last two full art. Okay, and then I have Mega Sharpedo and Mega Aggron. Mega Aggron was actually my first Mega Pokemon I ever got. Then I have Mega Scizor and Mega Steelix. Then I have these two vintage-ish EXs. These are from 2012. Both of them are. And then I have Kartana GX and Necrozma GX. I also have Marshadow GX and Ash Greninja EX. Pikachu EX and Ho-Oh GX. And then another Ho-Oh GX and Latios EX. And then a Flygon EX and Espeon GX. Umbreon GX and Zoroark GX. Raichu GX and Articuno EX. Sharpedo EX and Entei GX. Aggron EX and Gardevoir GX. Tapu Lele GX and Kameo GX. Giratina EX and Steelix EX. Baylord and Kingdra EX. And I still wonder, why is Kingdra a dragon and Charizard not? Get these. Sorry if the focus is bad. Espeon EX and Decidueye. Rayquaza EX and Mawile. Charizard and Thundurus. Charizard. I have the Team Flare gear, Jamming Net Team Flare Hyper gear, and Ninetales break. Carbink break, my first ever break. You saw that in my Pikachu EX 10 video. Delphox break. Crobat break. Shining Rayquaza. Shining Arceus. And Shining Ho-Oh. Then I have this vintage Holo Arceus. A Holo Mewtwo. And then the Bikini promo from the Mythical Collection box. And then I got this. No, this is the next one. And I have Goodra Holo. These two are reverse rares. Some more holos. Most of these are just holographic. It's pretty cool though. Got a McDonald's promo. Some more, and a reverse rare Dragonite. from Sun and Moon. And then 2 more McDonald's cards. A Blissey Hollow and a Pikachu promo from McDonald's. Okay, these 2, the Gengar's are rich rare. Kind of hard to see. And I got these 2 hollows. These 2 reverses. These 2 reverses. One of these is a hollow, one of these is a reverse. So like that. Got a Radiant Charizard and a Glycopod hollow. I have these 2 hollows. Got that. Oh wait, here's the Radiant Emolga. I have Radiant Emolga full art. I didn't put it with my other full arts. I don't know why. A Cincino Radiant, Lies Hollow, Superior. These are reverse. This Ralts is Radiant. It's just really hard to see, and this is the hollow. These. A lot of these are actually box promos. Yeah, a lot of these are. And McDonald's stuff. Alright. I'm sorry if the focus is bad. I mean, it's kind of hard to film this. Okay, got the last one. This one is not all the way full. This time I'm just gonna tell you instead of showing you. Well, I'll show you like the ones that I really like. A Dartrix Hollow, a Brionne Hollow, Comfey Hollow, Sidrai Hollow, Volt Hollow, Pikachu Libre Hollow, which I actually traded for someone, a Crobat Hollow, Bellossom Hollow, an Eevee Hollow, a Togedemaru Hollow, a Serena Hollow, a Staryu McDonald's Hollow promo, a Feraligatr Hollow, a Reverse Galvantula, a Togekiss Reverse, a Hollow Keldeo and a Hollow Shaman, a Hollow Manaphy and a Hollow Zekrom, a Hollow Reshiram and a Hollow Hoopa, a Hollow Bellossom and a Hollow Primarina, a Hollow Latios and a Hollow Greninja, a Hollow Marsetto, a Hollow Hitmonchan, which was actually my first holographic ever from Evolutions. Fun fact. Palkia Hollow and a Shaman Hollow. And tell me, is this Shaman real? I don't know. I'm going to look it up. But I do not know if that's real or not. I'm going to look it up after the video. I have a Melodic Hollow and a Beartic Hollow. They're vintage hollows. I have a Yveltal Hollow and a Zoroark Hollow. A Meganium Hollow and a Grubbin Hollow. A Pikachu Hollow. A Latios Hollow. A Latias Hollow. A Latios Hollow and a Raikou Hollow. A Kingdra Ancient Trade Hollow. A Kyogre Reverse. And a Probopass Reverse. And then I have some other stuff like some binders and stuff. So yeah, now actually I can look that up right now, actually. I'm gonna look it up. Pokemon XY188 promo. I'm gonna go to images, and if that's there, okay, I'm gonna move this if I can. I guess I can't move it. Wait, can I? Okay, I can move it. Images. Let's see. I have no idea. Okay, it is real. I thought I got a fake card. It is real. What's from the box? Okay. That's where it's from. It's from this. Okay, I had no clue because it looked like it was Photoshop. Just saying. It really did though.
I remember you saying that.
I did say that, yes. I got that out of one of those mystery things, the 20 cards in the hollow. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. Wait, actually I can do some other stuff too. I can continue this series real quick. Oh, I died. Oh, poop. Hold on. I can move this. up here. This will be hard to do. Okay, where was I? I was over here. I wonder how I died. I was in the village. There's no way like a zombie could have attacked me. Those villagers can somehow now attack you. I doubt that's actually true. I have to find my. Did I burn in the lava in the blacksmith shop? Pretty sure I was last. Is that what happened? Did I die in the lava? Or did I fall on a... Oh, a creeper probably. Yep, probably a creeper. What? Stop, I saw an arrow.
What'd you say?
A creeper! I'm putting this armor on. Because I need to. Sweet, now I'm good. And now I can grab all my stuff. I might need to craft a sword soon. Out of the cobblestone that I have. I'm going inside a house. Yeah, there's definitely a creeper here. Place down the cacti. Oh, I have to do that on while I'm put out. Goodbye, cacti. I'm going inside a house. Actually, no, I'm not. So, oh, I will. I'll go into the library and then I'll make. Okay. Thank you all for watching now. Please like and subscribe. And goodbye. Bye guys, don't forget to turn on the notifications.